Do you find commutation process difficult to understand? Is it hard to understand the different techniques used to improve commutation? Are you confused in how voltage is built up in self-excited DC generator? And more importantly, do you want to understand DC generator very clearly so that you remember it for a long time? If your all answers are yes, then you're at the right place. Hello everyone, welcome to the course. My name is Gaurav J. I'm an electrical engineer, plus I'm working in a transmission sector, and also I am a content creator. In this course, we will talk about DC generator in the easiest way possible. It is very important that you understand about DC generator because it also represents DC motor. Now you can use same machine as a DC generator and DC motor, and that's the reason why you should know about DC generator first. In this course, we will start our study with building a machine, of course virtually. We will look at the different components that we need to build the machine, what principle we need to apply so that we can generate DC voltage. Then once our machine is ready, what problem our machine faces, what is commutation, what is armature reaction, how we can solve this problem. Everything about DC generator is covered in this course. You can see the detailed content table which is given in this section. Not only this, but you will also get what I'll be speaking in that course as a PDF copy so that you can read it whenever you want. Plus you can download all the videos for offline access as well. You will also have access to all the important diagrams throughout the course. Also, in between, if you have any questions, you can reach out to me or you can put your question in the DC generator group and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. To get this easiest course on DC generator, you have to download the Electrical Guy mobile app from the Google Play Store. Link to download the app is also given in the description of this video. I'm sure you are going to like this course and you will be learning a lot from this course. So without wasting further time, let's start with building our machine.